This is my 2010 Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, which, as you've seen in one of my previous videos, has R134A refrigerant in the air conditioning system. It is a newer truck, so of course it has R134A. Over here, we have a 1993 Toyota Camry with a V6 engine. And since it is a 93, it has R12 refrigerant. It came from the factory with R12 refrigerant, and to my knowledge, it has not been retrofitted. This Camry belongs to my barber, the awesome guy who lets me do all sorts of stuff for my YouTube channel with his stuff. He's let me film the air conditioner, he let me take pictures of his Chevy Silverado for the Like a Rock mashup, and he gave me the Rheem fan grill. So this is a 1993 Toyota Camry. And I will pop the hood. Alright, it's unlocked. As you can see, it's got leather seats. It's loaded. It's got power seats, aftermarket stereo, CD player, 216,114 miles on the body. The engine was replaced at some point. I think it was replaced at like 180 something thousand. I don't know why, but I want to say that it was replaced at like 185,000 or so. It's a Toyota. It'll go forever. All right. Now, I've been in this car before, but I don't remember where the hood release. There it is. Alright. It didn't have the little red and blue high and low side fittings on it. So that would lead me to believe that it has the original R12. And again, this is a new engine. It's the 3-liter V6. I believe it makes 185 horsepower. Now my barber says they may have evacuated the system of Freon before they did the engine swap, the engine replacement, but he doesn't know if they recharged it because this is kind of his just commuter car. He doesn't really use the air. It is like in the 30s right now, but I am going to see if I can. There are ways of seeing if the AC works when it's this cold out, because if it's charged and it works, it'll get cold and it won't feel stale. When it's not charged and it's not working, the air will feel stale and almost lukewarm. So we're going to see if the air works, and if it does work, what we'll do this summer is I am going to put a little temperature gauge in the vent of the Camry and in the vent of my truck. I'm going to have them parked side by side right in this little alcove here. And I'm going to see how cold the AC in the Camry gets at idle versus the AC in the truck at idle. Because my opinion of R12 versus R134 is that the AC is that R134, it works fine when the vehicle is moving. But when the car is idling and there's not much airflow, it does not blow as cold. With R12, it works great when the car is at idle, which is why that's the big complaint about R134. When you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic, your AC doesn't work as well. So, uh-oh, I think it may have been retrofitted. That's one of those. That looks like a red thing on the AC thing. I think it may have been retrofitted. Damn it. Yeah, we'll still see if it works. Now that's just on the one thing. What the hell is that? The accumulator. Trying to see if I can see any other caps on the thing. I'll show you the air conditioner thing right there. There it is, R12. On that Corolla I made the video of in California last Christmas, in 2010 it was a lot easier because the grill, the the label is down here near the radiator. It's all the way up here at on the hood in this car. And this hood has like shocks that keep it up instead of a prop rod, and they're starting to go because the hood isn't staying up for very long. As you can see, it's starting to close now. Alright, let's see if we can test the performance of the air. It's really cold out, but I can tell when my AC is working or not. Let's see if this thing's going. We're going to see if the air works.
Your banks have a 125-year history of helping local residents with award-winning service at 8 convenient locations, offering classic free checking with free debit cards. Enjoy a rewarding.
It definitely feels like it is working.
Equal housing lender, member FDIC. 41 going up to 50.
And the hood just fell. Seems to be cutting in and out, but it is definitely, yeah, the AC is definitely working. And I don't know if it's been retrofitted or not. There's the lease. Oh yeah, the air's definitely working. Even when it is below 40 degrees, you can still tell if the air conditioner is blowing cold in the car. Don't even know where the compressor is in this thing. There's the oil filter. I don't know where the compressor is in this thing. Alright, we're gonna have to wait until probably March or April to get a good test video of the AC in this, but I'm pretty sure it works. Don't even know where half the air conditioner stuff in this car is. Now, if it has been converted, there'll be another colored valve cap on one of the lines. But yeah, all indications would point to it works. It just has that, and of course this has intermittent wipers. My truck does not have intermittent wipers. That pisses me off. Horn works. I think 93 was the last year before they added dual airbags. They came out with the style in 92. My mom actually had a 90. And that's different. My mom had it in the center console. The parking brake in this one is right there. My mom's was in the center console. Like a handbrake. yeah. The way you tell if the AC works, even when it's freezing outside, is when it's not working or it has no charge or whatever, the air will feel very stale. That air did not feel stale, so that would indicate that it has Freon in it. Whether it's R12 or R134, I do not know, because I saw that little red cap on the on one of the lines down there, but I think this might still have R12 in it. We will see when I do the... And that was my text message. We will see when it gets warmer out, if this thing has R12 or R134. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. 2 text messages. Alright, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.